to school.
Cruz, get your book. Get your book. Okay, hold on. Okay, sit down. Hey, come here. Cruzy, give me your passy. Give me that passy. Okay, Cruzy, what's that? What's that? Doggy. What's that? Kitty. Yeah. What is that? Monkey. What's that? Tiger. Uh-huh. What's that? Zebra. What's that? Elephant. What's that? Rabbit. It's a snail. What was? What's that? Butterfly. What's that? Penguin. What's that? Tiger. What's that? Starfish. What's that? Fish. What's that? A snail. What's that? Rabbit. All done.